Ano yung babasahin dyan? Sana.
Two.
Ulit yan. Oh, ulit. Ito. Oh. Ano to? Ano yan?
Powers.
Laksan mo yung boses mo.
Powers.
Ano?
Powers.
Flower.
Powers. Ba.
Oh, basa.
Sampakita.
Laksan mo yung boses.
Ano ba? Sampakita is a word.
Flower.
Flower. It is white and in
It
it small
smells
smells
sweet.
sweet. The sampakita is
Our
onilal
national
national power.
flower.
Power. The pomamela is a power too. It there
Does
does no
not
not small
smell
smell sweet
sweet.
sweet small
Some
pomamela flowers are red. Some are big
pink.
pink and some are white.
Oh. Ulit mo naman.
The
Ikaw na. Ulit.
the sampakita is a flower.
Flower.
It is white and
Smells
it smell sweet. The sampakita is
our national
national flower. The pomamela is a flower too. It
does
does on
not
not small
smell
smell sweet. Some pomamela flowers are red. Some are big
pink.
pink and some are white.
Yay! Malulong na bungal!
Eh,